I think you are very well, and today we will discuss about a job notification which is also coming from the RITS. Okay, it is for experienced candidate, not for fresher. But earlier I was posted a video which is for fresher candidate, and through the gate. Okay, so I am requesting to all you, if you new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it so that never miss such videos. Now come to the notification. You can open the Google Chrome. This is the website of RITS, and you can go to career section and you will get this interface. And second one is the vacancy. Okay, I am already downloaded the notification. Now I am directly come to the notification. As you can see, recruitment of engineer profession on regular basis. Okay, here also three branches are eligible. One is civil, second mechanical, third one electrical, and number of posts is concern of respective branches is 25 for civil, 15 for mechanical, and 8 for electrical engineering. And age, as far as the age is concerned, is maximum age is 32 years, and age is counted on 1/7/2021. Okay, the minimum age, qualification and experience. Okay, as you can see, minimum post qualifying experience 2 years. Okay, and degree BE Tech BSc engineering in civil engineering, and you have experience in candidate should have post qualifying experience of minimum 2 years in the field of construction supervision. Okay, you have experience in construction supervision, then you applicable. Now come to the second vacancy, which is coming from the mechanical engineering, and degree BE Tech BSc engineering, degree in mechanical production industrial automobile engineering, 2 years minimum qualifying experience, post qualifying experience, and you have experience in quality assurance, productions, maintenance, manufacturing and operation. Now come to the third vacancy, which is coming from the electrical engineering. You should have also BE BTech BSc engineering, degree in electrical and electronics engineering. You also have a 2 year post qualifying experience, and you have it to minimum 2 years in one or more of electrical engineering fields such as general electrification, site supervisions, power distribution, electrical machines and construction maintenance of building. Okay, so you see the experience. If you have a relevant experience in your own field, then you are applicable to apply here. Now come to the here is mentioned that for qualifying degree percentage marks, if you are comes into the general category and EWS. Okay, if you have a general category EWS and so you have a 60% marks in qualifying degree, and as far as you comes in this category SC, ST, OBC, non-criminal, PWD, then you should have at least 50% marks in your qualifying degree. Okay, now selection procedures. RITS conduct their own examination. Okay, so firstly you clear that particular examination, and the marks percentage of this entire selection procedure is that 50% assume your experience, and 60% taken from your written examination, and third one is 35% taken from your interview. And interview is also divided into two categories: technical and professional proficiency 25%, personality, communication and competency 10%. Okay, now aggregate is 100%. Okay, minimum 50% marks um, in written test. Okay, minimum 50% marks in written test, and for general category. Okay, for 45% marks for SC, ST, OBC, PWD. Okay, now come to the interview percentage marks. Minimum 60% marks for general category in interview, and as far as the SC, ST, OBC, non-criminal, PWD is concerned, you required 50% marks in interview, minimum 50% marks. And after you selected here, you should go under the medical examination. Okay, as per the RITS rule and standard of medical fitness for the relevant post. Now come to the relaxation and concession. You should have a different kind of concession. One, you have age relaxation. If you comes under the OBC non-criminal, then you will get the three years. Okay, 3 years age relaxation. And as far as the SC, ST, PWD is concerned, you will get the 5 years age relaxation. And for general category, there is no age relaxation. Okay, yeah, economical bigger section I think also considered in OBC for come under the OBC non-criminal layer for age relaxation. Okay, now you have another kind of relaxation. If you have any kind of disabilities as mentioned here, you can check and match which kind of disability you have, so you also get the benefit from this kind of disabilities in their respective branch. Period of engagement. Earlier you will post a provision of 2 years. After completion the provision, you will absorb as a permanent employee in the RITS. Now comes to remuneration. Okay, as already mentioned earlier that you will get a pay scale of 40,000. Okay, to 1,40,000, and basic pay is 40,000 per month. And in addition to this salary, you will get the leave as per the leave rule, and maternity leaves, paternity leaves, medical facility, group insurance, and leave encashment as per the government rule applicable. Approximate emolument at the minimum of pay scale 12 lakh. Okay, I think you have a mini approximate CTC 12 lakh per annum. Remuneration mention of only indicative. Okay, this depend on the your post of location. Okay, and it may be vary. It may be increase or decrease, I think. Now talking about the fee for application, general and OBC candidate 6,000 plus tax applicable. Economical weaker section SC, ST, PWD candidate have a 300 plus taxes as applicable. Okay, this is the application fee of each candidates. Now how to apply? Firstly, you go log into the www.rits.com, and after going to the this website, you can go to the career section. You will find out the different notification. Okay, you can go to the this notification by read engineer professional on permanent basis. So now finally the yeah, when you are time, this is the important thing as well. Written test, different location, 6 different location in India. Exact location will be communicate with your email. Okay, interview subject to the performance in written test. If you good in written test, then definitely you will shortlisted and come to the interview. And when you have interview, also will be communicated with your email ID. But roughly you can see the test center cities: Delhi, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Nagpur. Except Delhi and Gurgaon, Gurgaon are tentative and will depend on the number of candidate and discretion of rights. Okay, it is says that the Delhi and Gurgaon is permanent tentative written test center, but rest of them will be changed depend on the number of candidate appear in a particular city. Okay, it may be cancelled or it will remains the same, but Delhi and Gurgaon remains the same as the test centers. So commencement of online application 30/7/2021 and last date of submission of online application is 25/8/2021 and date of selection to be notified letters. So thank you for watching. This is the entire notification I have read it till now. Okay, if anything is miss from my own, then definitely you can go job notification, you can see the things. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you are new on my channel, so I am requesting to all of you, you share, you subscribe my channel and like the video and share the video, and also press the bell icon so that you never miss such videos. Okay, so thank you for watching again.